The Delta Plus variant is spreading now in India. So far, 40 infections have been detected. Maharashtra has reported the most cases so far. The Union Health Ministry has put states on alert because experts fear that this new variant could beat immunity acquired through infection and through vaccines.
Delta Plus, a mutated form of the Delta variant that wreaked havoc across India, is now a variant of concern. It threatens to trigger a new wave on a nation that is still counting losses from the monster surge. 40 cases of Delta Plus have been reported in 5 states: Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Kerala. The centre has asked the states to be on alert. The Health Ministry has warned that the new variant has increased transmissibility, stronger binding to receptors of lung cells, and can escape immunity. The Maharashtra government has started collecting 100 samples from each district to be sent for genome sequencing.
Index cases of these Delta Plus variant should be monitored very closely. Had they taken vaccine and still got infected? So whether this Delta Plus variant has escaped the vaccine, that study is to be done. And so our department is with the help of this ICMR, ICSR and also NIV, that is National Institute of Virology. We are continuously behind that.
The earliest case in India is from a sample taken on April 5th. So far, no deaths have been attributed to Delta Plus. But experts say citizens should not let their guards down.
The concern now is that the presence of this mutation in the Delta Plus variant might render it immune from the antibodies produced by the vaccine, or the antibodies produced from past infection, or the new antibody cocktail being used in treatment.
It is not yet clear how effective the vaccines are against Delta Plus. The government, however, says the 2 vaccines being used in India are effective against the original Delta variant.
The state government says it is keeping a close tab on the present situation and taking all precautionary public health measures. For a state like Maharashtra that has been badly impacted during the pandemic, this is yet another crisis. With camera person Samir Shanbag, this is Pankaj Upadhyay in Mumbai, reporting for India Today.
And that's all we have time for in this edition of First Up. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day and remember to stay tuned to India Today. We'll continue getting you the latest news and updates.